If you're anything like me, you love a good free tool, especially when you're making magic happen with your content. CapCut Online promises a lot, but is it really free in 2026? Or is it fake free? Today, we're doing a deep dive to save your precious data and your time. Because who has time for surprises when you're trying to build an audience? Let's start with the good news, the stuff that is genuinely free. Basic editing like cutting, trimming, and splitting is still solid. You get a decent selection of transitions and filters, and you can add text and subtitles manually without paying a cent. You can also resize your videos for different social platforms and export in 1080p without a watermark, provided you sign in. But here is the big change for 2026 that you need to know about. Auto captions. While they are technically free, they are now strictly limited. Most free users are capped at about 5 to 10 minutes of auto captioning per month. If you're making a single 10-minute YouTube tutorial, you'll hit that wall instantly. Now, let's talk about the pro paywall. This is where the fake free starts to show. If you want high-quality background removal with clean edges, especially for complex hair, that's now a pro feature. AI image and video generators, premium stock footage, and the flashy pro fonts are all locked. And if you need to export in 4K resolution, you'll definitely have to reach for your wallet. For us, the biggest hurdle is the file upload limit. If you don't log in, you're capped at 500 megabytes. Even with a login, you're looking at about 1 gigabyte. Think about it, a 15-minute screen recording or high-quality camera footage can easily exceed that. Uploading a huge file on a mobile connection only to find it won't fit is a massive waste of data. So, how do you beat the system? Here's a learn with Czar tip. If you run out of free caption minutes, use a free external tool, for example, Descript, to transcribe your video, then simply import the SRT file back into CapCut. Also, if your file is too large, use a compressor like Handbrake before you upload. It saves your data and your sanity. Is CapCut Online worth it? It's perfect for you if you're making short-form content and don't mind a basic finish. But if you're editing long tutorials, creating professional courses, or need 4K exports, it might be time to look at the desktop version instead. Your time and data are valuable. Don't let free tools trick you into wasting time and energy with them. Let me know in the comments, what is your biggest struggle with video editing right now? I'll see you in the next one.